Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the minimizer in GoodX Web. In GoodX Web, you might have noticed a small gray circle that usually floats in the corner of your screen. This is more commonly known as the minimizer. The minimizer will enable you to have multiple tabs open on the web app without having to close them. Let's show you how you can use this feature. As an example, you are currently busy with a clinical event, but you quickly need to create a task. In the clinical event screen, click on the minimizer. Once you have clicked on the minimizer, it will expand and its features will be available. From these features, click on the minimize button to minimize the clinical event screen. The clinical event screen will then be minimized and its tab will be available underneath. Now you can navigate to the Tasks tab where you can create your new task. When you're ready, you can continue with your clinical event by clicking on its tab in the minimizer. Once you clicked on its tab, it will automatically open up so that you can continue where you left off. Let's take a look at the other features of the minimizer. The first button you'll see is the Close button. Click on the Close button to close the minimizer once you're done using it, and it will move back to the corner of the screen. The second button will either keep the minimizer expanded or keep it as the minimizer alone. When you hover over this button, it will either say Always Show or Don't Always Show. When you hover over this button, it will say Always Show. By clicking the button, the eye icon will be crossed out and the minimizer will remain expanded. When you hover over this button, it will say Don't Always Show. By clicking on this button again, the eye icon will open again and the minimizer will not be expanded. To easily access your system settings, click on the Settings button that is indicated by a gear icon. Once you click on the Settings button, the Settings window will pop up. Next, we have the More panel where more information will be available. The information will include any unassigned tasks and new messages you might have received. Lastly, you can then click on the Less panel to hide this information.